Good morning, everybody. This is Szabina here, and you're watching Szabina Travels. It's 5:55. We are here in the coast of UAE in Al Quwain. How is the visibility, Reggie?
Oh shit, I can't see shit.
Better.
Tell me why.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartbreak. So 5 of us came here to Al Quwain, 60 kilometers from Dubai. I have one of my favorite Filipino photographer here. No, not that one, the other one. Introduce yourself.
Reggie Kun, mate.
Reggie Kun. And we have G-E-O.
What's up?
What's your Instagram? Tell them.
Gio_Medrano.
Okay, make sure to follow him. And we have Gigi. You know her. And we have Ram, who is super far away. So, never mind. I'll show you him later on. Reggie, you got a stalker here. You've got a stalker. Gigi, let's go to the Maldives. It's just a few meters away. Oh. Can you do this more cinematic? This is a real Hungarian.
Who's gonna take a picture?
I can do it with this little one. Who's this guy? Ram, say hi.
Hi, what's up?
What's your Instagram?
Samaka TV. Check this out. Is it here or is it here?
Here. Sun is coming up. Everyone with the camera.
How are you dressed?
Super busy. Now we're checking out the other boat, which is not far, just a few meters away. So we just reached the second boat. We're gonna take some close-ups and full body shots as well. Yay! Free haircut, Reggie, for you. Everyone is filming. Can you catch it by hand? No. Please? Just cut another finger of yours.
Yeah. No!
Yes! Meg tudja csinálni. Yes! So you've been to Hungary, right?
Yes, I have.
What did you get from there apart from langos?
I went to the springs, a lot of the baths, and then I got this.
A tattoo?
Tattoo. Yeah.
Wow!
Very nice.
Yeah. But the other one is nicer with the
You can
sunrise.
zoom that in.
What was that? I'm trying to film an outro, but they don't
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
let me film this outro. No.
Let's go.
Okay. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. You know what to do? Hit the like button and subscribe. And I will never hang out with these guys again.